Some of you are having problems with the third equation of motion. So let's do it once more. This is a graph. This is a velocity time graph where velocity lies on the y-axis and time lies on the x-axis. There is an object that is moving from point A to point B, and by observing the graph we can know that this is a uniform velocity. Now when the object has started off with this velocity at point A, that means OA is the initial velocity. Suppose it is 5 here, okay? So 5 meter per second will be the initial velocity, and that 5 will be this much, 0 to 5. When it reaches B, this complete line, this complete area is the final velocity, okay? So this is V, this is U, and this is parallel to U, so this will all DC will also be U. Now what about BD? We know that V is equal to U plus AT. When V is BC, U is CD, then what will be AT? AT will be BD, right? So now coming on to the solution of this graph. We want to find out the distance covered by the object. This distance will be the area of the trapezium OABC. Now the area of the trapezium, you must be knowing the formula. It is the sum of the parallel sides multiplied by the altitude divided by 2. Okay. So here the parallel sides are OA, BC, and the altitude is OC. So we multiply it by OC and divided by 2. Now what is the value of OA? OA is U, that we have placed here. BC is V, as we have seen it earlier. OC is the time taken by the object to reach this point. So this OC will be the time taken, right? So now what is our equation? V plus U multiplied by T divided by 2. Now if we want to replace this time, because we just want the equation to be in terms of velocity and distance, so what will we do? We will find out the value of T from this equation. V is equal to U plus AT. That means AT will be equal to V minus U. That means T will be equal to V minus U upon A. I hope this calculation is clear to you. Now we will put this value here, V minus U upon A, like it is the same value, right? So what will our equation become now? V U plus V multiplied by V minus U upon 2A. When we take this 2A to the other side of the equation, it will be 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. How did this come? You know this mathematical formula, A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. And same thing we have here, V plus U into V minus U. So this will be V square minus U square. So I hope it is now clear. If still it is not clear, then let me know. I will post another video for that.